Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Do you remember what we learned last time? Yes, we talked about nature. Today, we'll review what we learned and learn something new: numbers and counting in nature. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's review. Listen and answer about what we see in nature. What's this?
It's a frog.
Yes, it's a frog. What's this?
It's a bird.
Wow, you're amazing. What's this?
It's a rainbow.
Wow, you're amazing. What's this?
It's a flower.
That's right. It's a flower. Let's learn some new numbers today. Listen and repeat after me. 9. Number 9. Repeat after me.
9. Number 9.
10. Number 10. Repeat after me.
10. Number 10.
Let's learn a new question. How many? Listen carefully and repeat after me. How many birds? Repeat after me.
How many birds?
4 birds. Repeat after me.
4 birds.
How many flowers? Repeat after me.
How many flowers?
8 flowers. Repeat after me.
8 flowers.
Now let's play a game and count together. Look carefully and count. Then say the number. How many flowers?
8 flowers.
Yes, 8 flowers. Great job. How many trees?
4 trees.
Correct. 4 trees. How many birds?
3 birds.
That's right. 3 birds. Wow! You counted so well. You're amazing. Great work, everyone. Today we learned how to count things in nature: 9, 10, and how to ask how many. See you next time. Goodbye.